Hello and welcome to Memory Lane. Today we will look back at the 1960 American television series, My Three Sons. We will revisit the cast of the series and see how they changed over the years. I will also tell you some interesting or funny trivial facts you probably did not know. Fred MacMurray died at the age of 83 years in 1991 from pneumonia and chronic lymphocytic leukemia. Stanley Livingston was 9 years in 1960 and is 71 years old in 2022. William Frawley really enjoyed working on the show and did not want to leave. To make matters worse, he was replaced by William Demarest, whom he hated in real life. Grady died at the age of 68 years in 2012 from cancer. Barry Livingston was 9 years in 1960 and is 68 years old in 2022. Grady almost left the show when Tina Cole was cast as Katie. In an interview, Cole revealed that Grady felt she wasn't his type. As it turned out, they eventually fell in love in real life and almost got married not once, but twice. William Demarest died at the age of 92 years in 1983 from pneumonia and prostate cancer. Tim Considine died at the age of 81 years in 2022 from undisclosed causes. The show moved to CBS after ABC refused to finance the higher cost of filming in color. William Frawley died at the age of 79 years in 1966 from heart attack. Tina Cole was 20 years in 1960 and is 79 years old in 2022. The character Steve Douglas is an aeronautical engineer specializing in structural design. He is also a former test pilot. Beverly Garland died at the age of 82 years in 2008 from following a long illness. Don Lynn was 6 years in 1960 and is 59 years old in 2022. The character Steve Douglas was ranked number 7 in TV Guide's list of the 50 greatest TV dads of all time. Ronne Troup was 18 years in 1960 and is 77 years old in 2022. Meredith MacRae died at the age of 56 years in 2000 from brain cancer. When Grady left the show in the final season, his absence was explained by having Robbie get transferred to Peru by his job and have Katie join him there.